Good morning, everybody. Motorcycle Shenanigans back for another episode of Look at This Beautiful R6. So this bike started its life out as this like metallic gray color, and I think somewhere in its existence, being an 07, somebody put this complete sticker kit on and did a great job and took care of it. Just bought this thing used out of Dallas. I mean, had pretty much brand new Michelin pilots on front and back. I mean, bike's just clean. The only thing I've done are these levers. Bike even sounds fairly good. Got the Shorty M4 exhaust. Just a good looking bike. So the big thing for today is I'm a little curious of what mods I need to do. First off, I know the one I do want to do is get rid of this giant catalytic converter and put in the mid pipe. That might do a performance clutch quick shifter if I can. Definitely want to drop a power commander in the back. But other than that, I'm not really sure what else to do. So I kind of need some advice from y'all. If y'all would kindly leave me some comments with the best mods that y'all can do on a really nice 2007 R6, just let me know. And I'll start doing them, make videos, and make reviews of how nice they actually turned out. So if y'all would be so kind as to do that for me, I would greatly appreciate it. So, and we can see more of this beautiful bike. Alright guys, appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the video.